welcome back to the channel. This video is episode 3 part 2, where I will continue to clean out the interior of the 1961 Imperial and finalize the detail of the entire car. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Now on to the video. The vinyl restorer that I am using is very good at cleaning dirt, but it was not really that great for some really tough stains. So I had to use a surface cleaner on some spots that were just a little bit dirtier than others, but overall it's coming out pretty good. As I'm cleaning the brake pedal and gas pedal, if you look behind those pedals, you will see on the carpet that the carpet is basically bleached. Now, that is a clue that something was leaking there and bleaching the carpet and taking out the blue color. There's only a couple things behind these pedals, one of which would be the brake master cylinder. So it's safe to assume that the brake master cylinder was most likely leaking and allowing brake fluid to drip onto the carpet. Now, the only other thing I can think of that is above the gas pedal side would be the AC lines, maybe. I'm not too positive on that, but I'm definitely going to have to look for some leaky components because the carpet should not be bleached there. The reason I'm kind of going crazy with the scrubbing on the door jambs is because I'm going to be removing the door panels and I'm going to be cleaning the inside of the door, essentially the inside of the skeleton. And that is to simply preserve the inside of the door, get all of the dirt out of it so that the dirt is not holding any moisture and causing any rot to develop on the body. I ended up needing to use a stronger degreaser underneath the door because there was lots of oil or asphalt or something that was giving me some trouble with the normal surface cleaner. So I just used a straight up degreaser and it came right off. insides of the doors, I simply sprayed a degreaser inside the door and covered everything. Let it sit for a couple seconds, and then took the hose and sprayed it out. And for the most part, it got just about everything. I did have to keep clearing the drains as I would wash whatever junk was inside the door out, and that was because there was just lots of dirt piled up from over the years of it sitting and probably being used. So I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to keep from doing this door, but I've obviously already removed this door panel. I had to get the window up, and so I started cleaning the door channel out and getting the drains cleared. All the drains are cleared now. There's one hole over here, one hole over here, and then 2 slots in the middle here. I've started cleaning the door jamb. There still needs to be some work done back there, but I don't have any brushes that'll reach right there for now. I'm just getting it cleaner. But the door jambs are coming up pretty good. I mean, as they should. It's not like they're constantly getting abused. So I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna finish the rest of the vehicle doing that kind of stuff. And that'll be it for the detail. I'll do a final walkthrough of it. And then it's starting to pull all these door panels off and get the lock assemblies working correctly and latching correctly. I found an issue. Let me move this stuff real quick. I found an issue with the rear door. So when I picked up the vehicle, wasn't able to open this door except from the inside, like pushing it out. Now I'm able to fully open and close it, and I can lock it. But the issue I'm having is that trim hits. So why it's out of adjustment, I have no idea. I don't know if it's the front passenger door. It looks like it. Let's see this side. The vehicle's starting to smell a lot better too. Yeah, see how tight that gap is up here? But for some reason, over here, it's nice and big. So I don't know if someone was screwing with the hinges. I can see a little bit of movement here from the fender or something of the sorts. See, I should probably get these mud daubers a little bit better. Dang, I completely missed those. So I'm gonna have to adjust the door. There's no way around it. It's kind of scary that I'm having to adjust the door and this protective seal is broken. It's still pretty flexible too, so it's almost like it was ripped off. Like, has the door been off of the vehicle is my question. I'll never have that answered, but I gotta go through and do this too. But yeah, I'm gonna finish out the
the detailing of it, and it's nice to be able to just come out here and it's clean. It's not dirty. The underside of it obviously isn't clean yet, but progress.
Alright, I know I said I would be doing a walkthrough, but the file was corrupted for that video, so I don't have it. So I just have this picture of it. This was after the main cleaning, before I'd done any shampooing of the carpets or anything like that. I just cleaned everything really good with the surface cleaner as I did in the video. And you can see that everything came up very, very well, especially for not being touched in 25 years. So I'm really happy with how the car came out to this point. It started losing its stench of mice and stuff like that, so it started to smell like a car again. In the next video, I'll be doing a deep clean on the door panels and getting everything working within the door, all the mechanical parts working again. So until next time, if you've gotten to this point, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you already have subscribed, I really appreciate it. And thank you for all the support. Y'all have a good one.